Today is day 3 of building a business from scratch, and I'm faced with a huge problem that could end this all. See, our business of choice is a faceless YouTube channel specifically about geography, and in order to do that, we need to have an animation of a map. And I realized that the issue is that when we zoom into the picture, when we zoom into on any kind of map, it loses its quality, and we have to zoom in, but at the same time, we have to keep the quality. So, how do we solve this? Well, I did a lot of research on the internet with ChatGPT, checked a lot of forums, and something I came up is NASA. Well, I'm pretty sure you know who NASA is, but when I came to their website, specifically search for a blue marble, I was absolutely shocked to find out that the resolution that they have is 21,600 pixels by 10,800. It's like 10 times the size of Full HD. Insane. So this problem was solved, but now I had another problem. Take a look. These giant images of our planet do not have any borders, so we cannot really tell which country is where. It's kind of necessary to know specifically because we need to identify the border, to draw all sorts of animations to know which country is where, and I had a solution in mind. There is this file called SVG that basically if you increase it in size, it always keeps the quality. The quality is just insane through the roof. It's always super crisp. But whenever I would lay it on top of this image, it was just a little bit off, like to the sides or to the top, and I tried to stretch it a little bit, but it seemed just a little bit weird. And now the all-knowing ChatGPT once again came to help, and turns out there are different kinds of maps that exist, and NASA they have a very specific format that they use, and so we just had to find this SVG file in the specific format that works with NASA. And so ChatGPT actually just gave me a link which I went onto. It was a Wikipedia page. I just downloaded the file, came to Illustrator, and then I was able to put it in After Effects, which is exactly what we need. Now let me show you how it works. You can see that I have two maps, and the gray one has all sorts of different countries that I can isolate them one by one. I can increase in size, and it's always going to have a very crisp quality because of the files that we're using. And this is really great because now we are ready to create the animation. All we have to do is use ChatGPT to create the script, record the script, and then create the animation and do the next steps. If you want to support this series, then follow for more.